If you've ever wanted to start online business from scratch but didn't know where to begin, John Thornhill's Ambassador program gives you a ready-made system. Instead of spending months creating products, building funnels, or writing endless emails, the program hands you a done-for-you funnel that collects leads, run webinars, and promotes offers that are already proven to sell. Inside, you also get a 99 pre-written email script so you don't have to worry about copywriting. These messages are ready to send to your subscribers to build relationships and generate consistent sales. Plus, you'll also learn how to drive targeted traffic so you can actually grow your list and bring the right people into your business. One of the most powerful parts of the program is the JV page feature, where you can recruit affiliates to promote offers for you. That means while you're working a few hours a week, other people can be out there helping you make sales. So if you want a shortcut to building an online business that runs almost on autopilot, this program can help you get there. Click the link in the description to join the free webinar and see exactly how it works.